Attention all personnel. DOA 071B has breached containment. All units initiate code black lockdown. No one is to enter or leave the building.
Would you hand me one of them CDs right there?
Hello, and welcome to KJC
Got a
Radio
voice?
Jacksonville, 92.78 FM, or if you're on your TV, KJC 57. Alright, so in the news today, a few kids do a TikTok at a police station, and...
This is not a test. Do not make eye contact with your television. The following is a message broadcast by order of the United States Department of Anomalies and the United States government. An entity known as the OA071B has been the cause of mass casualties in Miami-Dade and Orange County. For your safety, follow these instructions. Without making eye contact with the outside, close all exterior windows and doors. Do not make eye contact with reflective objects or objects that have a view of the outside, such as windows or peepholes. Do not make eye contact with other humans. If condensation begins to gather on windows and mirrors, do not, under any circumstances, remove it in any way. If you hear or see anything unusual, do not attempt to investigate. Failure to follow these instructions will result in an episode of homicidal rage, heart attack, or immediate death. This message will repeat in 5 minutes.
Mike, get down here now.
What's the problem?
Mike, you need to see this.
Jesus fucking Christ. They were right all along. That damn thing got out of containment after all.
We need to initiate a national lockdown. For all we know, it might kill the president.
I suppose we could ask him, but he would probably call it bullshit considering we put the thing in a maximum security containment cell.
Shut the fuck up. It's now or never.
Well, that went horribly.
No shit, Sherlock. Not only he rejected it, he removed the containment cell altogether.
How the hell are we supposed to get it into containment now?
There's only one thing we can do.
This message is being broadcast by order of the United States Department of Anomalies. A dangerous situation is currently unfolding. Do not look at your television. At this time, citizens of California are to seek shelter in an interior room with no reflective objects or windows to the outside. Do not make eye contact with other humans. Do not make eye contact with electronic devices that have a reflective surface. Do not use anything that can reflect light. This will attract the threat itself if
the object moves. Make sure all blinds
are closed.
If
Sensation gathers on windows and reflective surfaces, do not remove it under any circumstances. Statewide programming has been discontinued until further notice. Your television will automatically turn off. Seek shelter now.
Broadcast interference detected. Do not look at your television under any circumstances. Broadcast interference detected. Do not look at your television under any circumstances.
Attention all personnel. DOA 071B has spread into Los Angeles. Initiate code Delta sterilization. Repeating. DOA 071B has spread into Los Angeles. Initiate code Delta sterilization. About fucking time.
I know. Mike, get on the sirens. Alert the public.
Attention citizens of California and Florida, seek shelter in a basement now. Nuclear devices will soon detonate to contain the threat of the OA-071B. Repeating, seek shelter in a basement now. These blasts will not create fallout.
Hello?
Honey, you need to get home right now.
I can't. I'm stuck in traffic and everyone has this green sludge-looking condensation on their windows.
I know. Whatever you do, don't wipe it off. Stay put, I'm coming to pick you up.
And how do you plan on doing that?
I'm going to wear a blindfold. Where are you right now?
I'm at the highway near the border to Virginia. I wasn't expecting this 071B thing to spread there. Plus, I have cousins that live in Greenbrier that I haven't seen in a while.
Okay. Just stay put and hope I don't die.
I'm launching the nukes now. Get everyone in the bunker.
This is a rather spacious bunker. Wait, never mind. That was just the hall to the bunker. What the hell?
Mike, get inside now.
What was that?
That was the nuke. I think all the anomalies we had are vaporized now.
So much for attempting to contain them. We could have just launched a nuke at whatever state had an anomaly.
Are you mad? That would just make people protest the frick out of us.
Ladies and gentlemen, a message from the President.
Hello, I am a representative of President Keemstar. Unfortunately, due to the current nuclear situation, he has authorized me to broadcast this message on all major television networks. This message reads as follows. My fellow Americans, what we have seen as a nation is truly terrifying. Both California and Florida were both seen suffering at the hands of something out of a horror movie. However, with bravery and courage, we are able to destroy this being once and for all. We may have lost thousands, but we did not lose our spirit. Keep in mind that we are one of the most powerful countries in the world. We will stop at nothing to eliminate any threat to civilians, and we did. I send my thoughts and prayers to the families and people affected by this horrific event. This concludes my message.
That was quite the predicament. I hope your wife is safe.
Don't worry. She likes to over-prepare for stuff like that.
Sam, Mike, the president needs to speak with you.
What could that douche want? To fire us for doing something we had to?
Shut up, Sam. It could be important.
I see you have arrived.
Yes, now what do you want?
I wanted you here so I could formally apologize. The fact that I doubted your concerns was extremely foolish of me. I am deeply sorry that I had demolished the creature's containment cell. As such, with the destruction of HQ and the Department of Anomalies no longer being needed, I am hereby discharging you two with a sum of $70 million each. Thank you for serving your country, you two. America will never forget you as their heroes.
Do you realize what this means, Mike?
That we are rich?
No, we're gonna be in the history books. We're famous.